Chapter 3: Types of Traders. Now that we've covered what it means to be a trader, it's time to have a look at what kind of trader you can become. Yes, there are different types of traders, depending on personality, risk tolerance, and the time that can be dedicated to trading. And you might be one or more of these various types of traders at different times, or even trade multiple styles at the same time. Many traders start out as toe dippers, placing random trades to experience the process without giving much effort to understand the analysis and risks. Often, these traders, to no one's surprise, experience losses and ultimately decide that trading is not for them, missing out on a world of potential knowledge and opportunities just because they were not willing to put in the initial work that is required. Trading, like any other thing worth doing, is worth doing right. It takes time to learn any profession, time to gain knowledge and experience, and trading is no different if you want a chance of being successful for the long haul. Let's break trading types down into three main buckets: active day traders, swing traders, and long-term investors. And sure, there are any number of variations to these trader types and style. This course is really focused on big picture, on those first two types, active day traders and swing traders. Let's try to define those terms. An active day trader is someone who follows an intraday trading plan to profit from relatively short-term price changes. Day traders can be in a trade for a few seconds, minutes, or hours, but typically close all positions by the end of the trading session. Day traders generally use technical analysis for entry and exit points and risk management. Day trading requires a high degree of self-discipline and emotional objectivity. And although day trading offers a unique set of opportunities, it can also come with unique risks and higher trading costs. The definition of a swing trader is someone who follows a longer, multi-day trading plan to profit from relatively mid-term price changes. Swing traders can be in a trade for a few hours, days, or even weeks, and typically use technical analysis for entry and exit points to capture market swings up and down. Swing traders who trade overnight futures are not generally subject to much overnight risk, but can be subject to over-the-weekend risk, and will often plan to be out of trades by the end of session on Fridays. A well-known trader joke is that the definition of a swing trade is a day trade that has gone badly. So the main consideration here is the amount of time during the day you can dedicate to your trading. If you're working at a job during US market hours, you probably don't want to be an active day trader. You don't want trading to distract you from your job, and more importantly, you certainly don't want your job to distract you from your trading. You can always trade in the overnight futures markets or place swing trades that have a longer time horizon. Understanding the type of trader you want to become will help you focus on the learning path to take. It will also help set some expectations of the trading process you will encounter. Which brings us to our next video and topic: why many day and swing traders choose to trade futures.